All right, let's talk about something that is completely reshaping how businesses run: artificial intelligence. We're going to break down exactly how you can use AI to give your business a serious competitive edge. Now, I'm pretty sure I know what some of you are thinking. You've heard all the buzz about AI, you see it in the headlines, but it just feels, I don't know, like it's for the giant tech companies, right? Way too complex, maybe too expensive for your business. Well, let's just get that idea out of the way right now. We're going to cut through all the jargon and show you that AI isn't just within your reach, it might just be the single most powerful tool you're not using yet. So what even is AI when you boil it down? Super simple. It's just a machine's ability to do things we normally think of as human, learning, figuring things out, solving problems. And here's the kicker. You're already using it all the time, every single day. Asking Siri for directions, telling Alexa to play your favorite song, or dealing with a customer service chatbot. Yep, that's all AI. And this brings us to a really important point. AI is the new way to get ahead. We're past the stage where this is some kind of cool, optional upgrade. For a lot of businesses, it's quickly becoming a must-have, just to keep up. The core idea here is something we can call AI efficiency. It's all about using artificial intelligence to make things run smoother, to get more done, and to make smarter decisions based on actual data. You know, the whole work smarter, not harder thing? This is that on steroids. And this might be the most exciting part. AI is a huge equalizer. For the first time, it's giving smaller businesses the tools to be as efficient and powerful as the huge corporations with endless resources. It really levels the playing field. Okay, so the idea sounds great, but what does that actually look like in the real world? Let's get into the hard data, because honestly, the numbers behind this AI boost are absolutely game-changing. Okay, check this out. Research shows that employees who use AI tools can potentially double the amount of work they get done. Let that sink in. Twice the output in the same amount of time. That's not a small tweak, that's a massive leap. And if you're in a more technical field, it gets even crazier. For things like coding, AI can boost productivity by a staggering 126%. It's like giving your tech team a superpower. But this is the part that I think is the most incredible. It's not just about making your top people faster. The data actually shows AI helps the newest or lowest performing workers the most. It closes that skill gap, which means your whole team becomes more consistent and more capable. AI doesn't just raise the ceiling, it raises the floor for everybody. And this isn't just happening in one little corner of the business. Look at these gains. Your marketing team can write content almost 60% faster. Your customer service team becomes way more efficient. When you add it all up, it's a 66% speed boost across the board. The impact is felt everywhere. So the data is pretty clear, right? The big question then becomes, okay, how do I actually use this in my business? Let's walk through a really simple roadmap to get you started. It's not as complicated as you think. Seriously, you can break it down into 3 basic steps. First, you assess. Just look at how you do things now and find the spots that are slow or frustrating. Second, you choose. Find the right AI tools that actually solve those problems and play nice with the software you already use. And third, you monitor. Just keep an eye on how it's working and be ready to make little adjustments. And that second step, choosing the right tool, is so important. You don't need a team of data scientists to do this. There are tons of super user-friendly platforms out there now that are built for businesses just like yours. For instance, think about getting a platform that acts like an AI employee. It's basically software that can handle answering your phones 24/7, do all that boring data entry into your CRM, predict sales trends for you, and even help you create personalized marketing. It's like having a perfect assistant who never needs a coffee break. So when you look at it side by side, the change is just night and day. Before AI, you're drowning in manual tasks, waiting forever for reports, and always reacting to problems. With AI, things get automated, you get insights in real time, and you can actually start planning ahead of the curve. So let's bring this all together. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky idea about the future. The future's here, right now. And it's all about giving your team the power to work smarter, not harder. And I've got one last number for you that is just mind-blowing. That 66% productivity boost we talked about, some analysts figure that's the equivalent of 47 years, almost half a century of normal progress, all packed into the tools we can use today. Just wow. And really, that's what it all comes down to. AI is a tool that helps your team make smarter calls and gets them out of the weeds of repetitive work. It frees them up to focus on what humans do best, being creative, thinking strategically, and connecting with customers.
So the main takeaway here is really simple. The future of work didn't send a memo. It just showed up. The businesses that jump on this and start using AI now are the ones that are going to be leading the pack tomorrow. It's that straightforward.
Look, this isn't just about being a little more efficient. It's about growth, and frankly, it's about survival. The tools are here, they're easy to use, and they are unbelievably powerful. So that really just leaves one last question for you to think about. Your competition is definitely getting smarter. Are you?